In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a weighted seated heel raise, otherwise known as a calf raise. So all we're going to need is to start off in a seated position. We're going to have the feet at hip width apart. And then once we've got this position set, I want you to have a 90-degree angle at the knee. So when I'm sat, I've got the heel directly below the knee and the knee then in line with the hip. Once I've got this position, I'm going to place my weights on my knees. Now I'm using dumbbells here, but you don't have to. You can use something like a bag. Anything that you can replicate some resistance of weight on would work absolutely perfectly. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise up my heels and I'm going to keep my toes and the balls of my foot on the floor. So as I come up, I'm going to squeeze through the calf muscles, coming back down, and I've still got a secure grip on these dumbbells at all times. So I'm going to repeat these repetitions, trying to come up as high as possible with my heels for as many repetitions and sets as desired. And that is how to do a seated heel raise with dumbbells.